Hello dear grade 6 students and welcome to this new video lesson. Today's lesson is Top Stars Part 1 from Module 7. As usual, we will start by reading our learning objectives for today, which are 3. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn 5 new words. Number 2, you will be able to identify the main idea through reading. And number 3, you will be able to locate details to find the correct answers in 5 sentences through reading. First of all, you have to open your student's book on page 80 and 81 and your workbooks on page 71. The new vocabulary for today, we are going to see 5 new words. Number 1, look at the picture. What can you see here? Excellent. It is a team. This is a football team. Who can give me an example? Can you put the word in a sentence? Great. There are 7 players in this team. Word number 2. Look at the following picture. What is the water like here? We have an iceberg in the water. What is the water like? Very good. It is deep. Can you put the word deep in a sentence? Thank you. The water is deep here, or the water is very deep. I cannot swim here. Number 3. Look at the boy. What does he have? Great. He has a medal. And he is in the first position, number 1. He came first. Great. He is the winner. Can you put the word in a sentence? Thank you. Harry was the winner of the high jump contest. Good. Next word. Look at the picture. What can you see? Very good. We use them to cut paper. Very good. These are scissors. Can you put the word in a sentence? Excellent. Kids mustn't play with scissors because they are dangerous. Word number 5. Look at the picture. Is it new or old? Very good. It's very old. Look at the date which is written. It is in 1817. And we have a bicycle. Look at the bicycle. It looks different. Very good. This is the man who invented the bicycle. Do you know his name? Look at the following sentence. Carl von Dries invented the first bicycle in 1817. This is the man who invented the bicycle. His name is Carl von Dries. Let's practice now. So open your workbooks on page 71, activity number 1. In your workbook on page 71, let's focus on activity number 1, read and choose. We have 5 sentences and you are going to read and choose the correct answer. I will do sentence number 1 as a model for you. First of all, I'm going to underline the keywords in order to help us find the correct answer. For example, number 1. The pool is too short or deep for my little brother to swim in. Here we have a grammatical structure, to plus adjective plus to plus verb. This structure means that we cannot. For example, here in this example, my little brother cannot swim. So why do you think he cannot swim? Is it because the water is short or the pool is short or deep? So we have to understand that the pool is too deep for my little brother to swim in. Now, pause the video, have a look at the sentences and try to complete them. Then we will check our answers together. We are back now. Sentence 2. Yes, good. I want to cut this paper. Can you pass me the scissors or the spoon, please? So the keywords here are, very good, cut this paper. If I ask you, what do we use to cut paper? Should we use scissors or spoon? Great. These are scissors, of course. So I want to cut this paper. Can you pass me the scissors, please? Thank you. Number 3. Jamie swam the fastest. He is the teammate or the winner. So here, swam the fastest. For someone who swims the fastest, is he going to be the teammate or the winner? Great, of course, he is going to be the winner. So Jamie swam the fastest. He is the winner. Number 4, we have question and answer. What did Carl Benz fix or invent? The answer of this question is the first modern car. So here, the first modern car can be a key sentence to facilitate us the answer. So the first modern car was invented by Carl Benz. Very good. So we say, what did Carl Benz invent? What did Carl Benz invent? Very good. Number 5, Tony is in the school volleyball game or team. So here we have both of the answers are possible because we can say volleyball game and volleyball team. But here we have in. Tony is in the school volleyball. When we say in, we have to choose the word team because we mean that he is a member of the team. Very good. Thank you very much. Tony is the school volleyball team. Great. Look at the following pictures now. Who can you see in the pictures? Great, we have kids. We have kids and we have a lady. Very good. Look at the words which are written there. Great, we have score. We have a picture of a telephone. We have scissors. We have team A, team B. So, where are they? Maybe they are at school. Great. What are they doing? Maybe they are playing. Great. Let's open our student's book on page 80 and check our answers. Look here. These are the first 2 pictures we have in your student's book on page 80. Look at the introduction here. Number 1. The children are taking part in a quiz at school. Question number 1. Who can you see? Excellent. We have the children. Where are they? According to introduction, they are at school. Great. What are they doing? Very good. They are taking part in a quiz. Great job, guys. Let's have a look at your student's book on page 80 and we have the entire text. Question number 2. Read and answer. What is the final score? So we said that they were playing, they are having a quiz. They are taking part in a quiz. So who won the quiz? Is it team A or team B? I would like that you read carefully the conversation between Mrs. Aisha, Alia, Fatima, Amal, Hasna, and give me the answer. What is the final score? Great! Look at exchange number 4. So here, Mrs. Aisha is declaring the result, the final result. So let's have a look. Excellent. Mrs. Aisha said, Team A is this year's winner. So, who is the winner, or what is the final score? Excellent. It's Team A who won. Let's move on now to your student's book on page 81, activity number 3. Read again and circle. We have 5 sentences and you are going to choose the correct answer, of course, after reading this conversation. First of all, I'm going to model sentence number 1 and answer the first one. So, Lake Baikal is the largest or the deepest lake in the world. Let's focus here on exchange number 1. So the keyword here is Lake Baikal. So look here, Mrs. Aisha said, sorry Alia, it's Lake Baikal. So are they asking about whether it is the largest or the deepest? Great. Look here, where is the deepest lake? So here they are asking about the deepest. So Lake Baikal in sentence number 1 is the deepest lake in the world. Now I'm going to ask you to pause the video, do the rest of the sentences, and then we will check our answers together. We are back now. So, can I have a volunteer for number 2? Yes, great. Lake Baikal is in the USA or in Russia. So, let's focus here in exchange number 1. Lake Baikal is in, look here, Alia said in the USA. Mrs. Aisha, what did Mrs. Aisha reply? Very good, she said, sorry Alia. It's Lake Baikal, which is in Russia. Great, so Lake Baikal is in Russia, not in the USA. Great. Number 3. Can I have a volunteer here? So, Alexander Graham Bell or Alexander Fleming is the man who invented the telephone. What is the keyword here? Very good. The man who invented the telephone. Where could you find this sentence? Great, it is in exchange number 2. Who invented the telephone? The question is, who invented the telephone? Look at the answer, boys. Great. No, Alexander Graham Bell is the man that invented the telephone. So the correct answer is, great job. Alexander Graham Bell is the man who invented the telephone. Good. Number 4. So Alia thinks Leonardo da Vinci or the ancient Romans invented scissors. What are the keywords here? Very good. Alia and invented the scissors or invented scissors. So pay attention here, boys. So we have Alia thinks. Let's have a look. Yes, very good. It's in exchange number 3. The question was, who invented scissors? What did Alia answer? Look here. No, it was the ancient Romans. So Alia thinks Leonardo da Vinci or the ancient Romans invented the scissors. Great. Alia thinks the ancient Romans invented scissors. Great job. Last one, number 5. Team A or Team B wins the game. Yes, great. Exchange number 4. Who win the games? Mrs. Aisha declared Team A is this year's winner. So the answer is great. Team A wins the game. Great job. Thank you very much for your attention and for following us, and see you next time.